Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore how to integrate ConvertKit with System.io. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't miss the free trial link in the description below. For those of you already on board, simply log in and follow along. First, you'll need to create a Zapier account to establish the connection between ConvertKit and System.io. On the Zapier dashboard, click Create and then select Zaps. If you need any guidance, the Copilot is here to help. Choose both ConvertKit and System.io from the available options and fill in the necessary details on the right side of the screen. To link your ConvertKit account, click Sign In and add the API key for ConvertKit. Go to ConvertKit, open Developer Settings, and copy the secret key. After pasting it, click Yes, connect to ConvertKit, and it will be connected. Repeat this step to log into your System.io account. Here you'll need to provide your login details and your account will be connected. Then configure the settings and click Publish and you're done. Hopefully this video will help you. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.